हेलो बच्चे, गुड मॉर्निंग. In video first, we see about chapter first, nouns in grammar. Now all we know that in noun chapter we studied about common noun and proper noun. Today we go about collective nouns. In video first, I explained very well about types of nouns. So, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract nouns, and possessive form of noun. So, today we go to understand about collective noun. Collective nouns are the names of groups of people, animals or things. Do you know? We playing cricket. So many participate in that game. These participants we called players. So a team of cricket players. Team is a collective noun. A flock of sheep. A bouquet of flowers. So we keep as a group. It's called collective noun. Here given exercise D, a bale of cotton, a pride of lions, a gaggle of geese, the crowd of people, a troop of dancers, crew of sailors, bouquet of flowers, chest of drawers, bunch of grapes, fleet of ships, constellations of stars, congregation of devotees, flight of staffs, shoot of rooms, string of pearls. Now we go as per exercise E. These also for collective nouns. Here given mistakes in the use of collective nouns. We have to correct it and rewrite them. A pride of spectators gathered around the winner. So, it's not suitable for spectators. So, we correct here a crowd of spectators. Spectators means देखने वाले, जो देखते हैं. Second, my suitcase rolled down the flight of chairs. Not here chairs. We correct here steps. Do you know steps? When we come up in our class. So we steps no. In staircase. Did you find a bouquet of keys on this table? No. We have to correct bunch of keys. The ship had a team of singers aboard. Not here team. We keep here troop. Our submarine followed a gaggle of geese. Exercise F. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns from the strip. This exercise also as per collective noun. The clerk tripped and dropped the whole sheet of paper. So you have to complete this whole exercise as per PDF. Exercise G also. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns from the strip. These also from collective noun. Mr. Palanival is a member of the board of directors. Sudarshan can make a beautiful from a heap of sand. Do you know ना बच्चे? Heap of sand means रेती के ढगले जो रहते हैं ना. A herd of cows. Cows no group. A pack of wolves. A panel of experts. A cloud of butterflies. The cast of actors. Heaps of trash. Now we go as per abstract noun. Nouns that name ideas, qualities and feelings are called abstract nouns. We can't see this, but we feel this. Friendship, honesty, happiness. It's called abstract noun. Abstract nouns are often formed from adjectives. The brave army man fought in the battle. Here brave is a abstract noun. The army man fought with bravery in the battle. Here bravery is a noun prepared from brave. Here brave as a adjective. In the second sentence, we changed the adjective brave into the abstract noun bravery. Abstract nouns can also be formed from verbs. Here see, Ramola knows German very well. Here knows as a verb, but we prepared. Ramola's knowledge of German helped us while getting around in Austria. In the second sentence, we change the verb know into the abstract noun knowledge. Here, exercise H given below is a list of nouns. Circle the abstract nouns among them. You have to circle on it. Sorrow, grief, hope, anger, tolerance, happiness, despair, chalk. Now we go as per exercise I. Change the words in red into abstract nouns. Courageously. So we prepare here soldiers for their courage. Kind, kindness. Patient, patience. Lazy, laziness. Gentle, gentleness. Now, as per exercise J, tick the correct abstract nouns from those given in brackets. My teacher gave me a good piece of advice. The detective's intelligence helped him solve the case. Pride always has a fall. Birbal's wisdom made him famous in Akbar's kingdom. Now, as per exercise K, fill in the blanks with verbs and abstract nouns. Both column given here, you see first for verb, second for its abstract noun. Arrive. So we prepare from verb as an abstract noun arrival. Here given abstract noun choice. So we prepare verb choose. Invent, invention. Invade, invasion. Defend, defense. Depart, departure. Discover, discovery. Destruct, destruction. prevent, prevention, interfere, interference. So we know that how to prepare verb from as a verb in abstract noun, as an adjective in a abstract noun. You finish this exercise J, K, L as per abstract noun. So we studied about collective noun, abstract noun, and we go possessive forms of nouns. Possessive forms of nouns, so belonging or ownership. We put an apostrophe after a noun to make its possessive form. Whose book this, we ask? No, it's mine. So we put here it's mine. Whose handkerchief this? It's Alafya's. It's Manasvi's. It's Srushti's. So we put here apostrophe for belonging. To singular nouns, add an apostrophe and ash. The dog's food, my brother's football. To plural nouns that end in s, add an apostrophe only. The dogs. After s, we put apostrophe. For plural nouns, already it's plural, dogs. My brother's football. To plural nouns that do not end in s, add an apostrophe and s. The man's shirts, the children's toys. When something belongs to more than one person and we mention the names all of them, add an apostrophe to the last noun. Jahid, Junaid and Sahil's bats. Don't put before Zahid and Junaid, because here we talk about more than one person. So here put as per last name, Zahid, Junaid and Sahil's bats. So here given possessive forms of nouns exercises. Teachers. So in the teachers we put apostrophe between R and H. Second, my father's. And in this second sentence after mothers, the women's. Okay. Complete these exercises in your notebook. And here we finish chapter 1 noun. Children, always write first its definition. First write noun definition, then common noun, then proper noun, then collective and possessive form of nouns and its exercises. So we will see in video 2 chapter 2 in grammar. So बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe and complete your work with PDF. Bye.